The BLS report for Q1 22 shows worker output fell 7.5%, the fastest decrease in 75 years. At the same time, wages have risen 11.6% in the last quarter, bringing the annual increase to 7.2%. High-mix, low-volume orders continue to drive machine shops. With more just-in-time deliveries, that order mix is not likely to change. How do you get control over all of these factors? Replace your machine operator with a machine tending robot. With a machine tending robot, you control the pace of production. Whether it's a mill or a lathe, you adjust the robot's pace to be optimal. No wasted time, no wasted parts from improper insertion into the vise or chuck. You get amazing repeatability because the robot is calibrated and programmed for your CNC machine. To learn more about how we can help with modern machine shop challenges, call RoboJob USA at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.